Okay, hey guys, I had a request to make a video on how to pick a doorknob. I took it out of the knob. It's a Kwikset lock. It's still got the pins in there. They're in here. So I'm gonna use southboard picks. Okay, I'll tell you later on at the end of the video on how you can get picks like these if you're starting out. So first you're going to take the tension wrench, you're going to put it at the very bottom of the lock, of the keyway, the opposite end of where the pins are. The pins are up here, you're going to put it down here. Okay, you're going to put very light pressure on the tension wrench while using the pick I'm going to use a hook to feel for pins. You're going to find the pins that are kind of stiff, but not too stiff, and you're going to push them up. I actually haven't tried to pick this yet today. I actually haven't picked it all today, or yesterday, so it might be kind of hard for me today. Plus, with the cylinder and the housing out of the doorknob, it's hard for the cap right here, to keep the springs inside the lock. To keep the springs pushing down on the pins correct, like the right amount of pressure for them to come down. But it really shouldn't affect your picking much, but it might. I don't know. It's just that it picks a lot easier with the springs working properly. It keeps everything working properly. And if you don't know which way to turn the lock, to apply your tension, either this way or coming down this way, you can go in, put a little bit of tension on one end, break it or something, and listen. Whenever you let go of the tension wrench, you can hear a click. If you hear that click, if you hear this click, like that, or more clicks than like or whatever, that means that pins were set and that you can pick that way. This keyway really doesn't have anything for me to lever off of with my pick. It's one small notch, but it doesn't really help me any. Man. Just try to break it open. try using an S rake. Just put this in, you just apply a little bit of pressure, I guess. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Apply the rake and just rake it. Or apply no pressure and do it. If you apply no pressure and do it, it does seem to work better for some people. But at-sea raking never works for me, so it has like a couple of times. But I like to single pin pick. So even though so far, right now, neither are working for me. Not sure why. Well, I'm starting to get tired of picking right now. Fingers are jamming up. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah. See? And basically, picking is all about tension. See, I've been having the wrong amount of tension on there, I think. But now it turns. So, that is how you pick a doorknob. Sorry I took so long. Sometimes it takes longer than other times. But the more you pick, the better you will get to, the easier it'll get for you to know the feelings that you're looking for, and the amount of tension that you need for that lock. Sometimes it requires different amount of tensions for each lock. How you can get these exact same lock picks. You can get them from southward.com. It comes with 3 or 2 picks, a hook, and a half diamond. Or it comes with 5 picks, but those are 2 of them. It comes with an S rake, a ball rake, and a I forget what this one's called. I really don't remember what this one's called, but it's a rake too. They all work pretty well. It comes with this, a broken key extractor, and 2 tension wrenches. This one is made for those who very first start out. Is to minimize the tension or the torque amount of, like, the pressure, because people generally, whenever they first start out, they use way too much pressure. It all comes in this leather case. It snaps closed, and it comes with this book that kind of teaches you how to pick. It teaches you the basics. It's pretty nice. So that's how you pick a lock, or that's how you pick a door lock. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Subscribe if you like my video. I apologize for how long it took, but like I said, you get better and faster with practice. I just haven't picked in like 2 days. I've been to parties and recently had a funeral to go to, so I hope I helped you somehow. Thanks for watching.